In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to synchronize your Facebook birthdays with your Google Calendar. This is a helpful way to ensure you never miss a birthday and can plan your greetings ahead of time without constantly switching between platforms. So let's get started. The first step is to head over to Facebook. This process works best if you are already logged into your account, so make sure you have your login details at hand if you need them. Once you're on Facebook, the next action is locating the See More option in the menu on the left side of your screen. This might require scrolling down a bit, but what you're looking for is a Facebook feature that shows all your friends' birthdays. With the See More section open, scroll until you find the Birthdays tab. This is where Facebook conveniently lists all of your friends with their upcoming birthdays. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a page specifically dedicated to birthdays. Once you've accessed your Facebook birthdays page, the next crucial step involves copying the URL link of this specific page. Simply click on the address bar at the top of your browser to highlight the URL, right-click it, and select Copy. This URL is what you'll be integrating into your Google Calendar, so keep it handy. Now it's time to switch things over to Google Calendar. Open a new tab on your browser and head over to your Google Calendar. Again, you'll need to be logged in with your Google account, so get your credentials ready if you haven't signed in yet. Next, look over to the left side of your Google Calendar interface where you'll find the Other Calendars section. In this section, you will see a plus sign. Go ahead and click that, as this is where you can add a new calendar to your existing setup. Once you've clicked the plus sign, you will see a set of options pop up. Choose the option that says From URL. This step is essential as it allows you to paste and use the link we copied earlier, bringing in the birthday data from Facebook. Finally, paste the copied URL into the provided field and click on Add to Calendar. This action will sync your Facebook birthdays with your Google Calendar, and you'll begin receiving notifications for upcoming birthdays without any manual input in the future. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully integrated your Facebook birthdays into Google Calendar. Now you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you won't miss any important birthdays. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-tos and tech tips.